In color Morocco Gold, which many people call white, is a 2014 Harley-Davidson XL1200X Sportster 48. You can see there's a pretty good sized bar bag there, upgraded grips and handlebars. Check the miles by pressing the trip button real quick. Slightly over 11,000 miles on a 4-year-old bike, completely acceptable. Python pipes indicate you might want to wait till 10 a.m. to start this thing if you live in an apartment complex. The bike is customized very nicely. Upgraded seat, leather saddlebag, chrome luggage rack, and the Python pipes that you just heard. 2014 Sporty 48 has a 1200cc engine mated to a 5-speed transmission. Low miles, late model. Sounds great, looks great. Would look great in your garage too. That process starts with a test ride at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.